Hey Nathan and Mariah. So we're at 118 Nightingale. This is going to be a beautiful little property. I think you guys are going to really appreciate taking time to look at this one, as well as when it comes down to making an offer. I think we're right in the right ballpark here. So they're asking $220,000. It's been completely remodeled, high quality finish out throughout. The trim work's been done. Everything's been done to really a high quality. So I'm kind of pleased with what we're going to be looking at. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn my camera around. We'll go over the neighborhood, the streets, that kind of stuff, and then take a walk through the property. Again, I think we hit a home run on this one. All right, so we're going to start with the neighbor's property right next door. They've done a really good job on their yard, backyard and front yard. Then of course we have our subject property, which is in beautiful shape. The front yard could use some work. Technically, or personally, I would put a tree over there on the west side of the corner right there. Now if we go out into the street's nice and flat and level, and it's nice and wide. So as far as the curb appeal and the street, I'd say it's a home run. All the people tend to take really good care of their houses. So I think this neighborhood's going to hold its value really, really well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick walk through, or a walk through, and I'll give you my opinion on what I see. Actually, let's do this a little bit. I think the outside looks good. Trim work looks good. As you can see, we don't have any covered, but I don't see anything that needs to be dealt with on the outside. It looks like it's all in really good shape. It does look like the air conditioner is probably just brand new. It looks brand new to me. And so here we go. It's obviously gas. And then as far as the roof is concerned, I'm thinking it looks pretty good from what I can see, but I think y'all can see better from where you're at up there. Okay. So this is beautiful. I love the way it looks when you first come into the room. Trim work, good colors, ceiling fan and appliances are well thought out, well planned. Nice open kitchen, and then nice dining room area. And then this, I love the farmhouse door there. And it's a converted garage, but they did such a good job on it. And the air conditioning unit is designed to accommodate for this extra air conditioning space in the converted garage. So again, you don't have a garage. You do have a covered carport, which was really well done. Look at that. That's really pleased. And the trim work on the flooring is really good. We have here a nice closet. This is one of the secondary bedrooms. There's technically 4 bedrooms in all. I think part of that converted garage, they listed as a bedroom. Doors are a little stiff, but I think it's because they're new. Again, air conditioner system, I think it's brand new. That would be my guess. Okay. Another one of the second bedrooms. And as you can see, there's no cracks in the sheetrock or the walls, the window area. Really nice. The work they did in the secondary bathroom, really, look at that, high quality. and then the master bedroom. And the carpet is also brand new. That walk-in shower. Upgraded fixtures, new cabinetry. Nice deep closet. And a second closet. Oh, utility room, stackable washer and dryer. Wow. Wow. Love that. That's fantastic. All right, we're gonna go outside, look in the backyard. Really impressed with the kitchen. All right. Nice patio area. I'm going to give it extra points for the next door neighbor's house. That could use some work. A nice Saturday afternoon project. Look at that. Water heater's brand new. That's what that is over there. I think these are pecan trees. But they do give shade, really lots of shade. Looks like your neighbor has a pool. Not sure what condition that's in. I even let the other neighbors here too, also in really good shape. So Nathan and Mariah, this is what we have at 118 Nightingale. Love the house, love the finish out, love the backyard. Highly recommend us moving forward with something like this one. Give me a call as soon as you finish watching the video. Tell me what you want to do. I'm ready to put in an offer or go show you other houses depending on your preference. Thank you for your time.